In this video, we'll look at installing the base coupler. The base coupler is a component that goes between the frame clamp and the tube socket of your mount. Now the benefit of this piece is when you're removing your mount, or if you're moving your mount between two separate wheelchairs, it allows quick and easy release of the frame tube of the mount without any tools. So to begin, this is an RM3 HD mount. I'll take the top section off and set that aside. Now I'm just left with my frame tube. If I didn't have the base coupler, I would need an Allen wrench to take this off, and each time I install it, I'd have to readjust my angles. But in this case, I just flip this red lever, pull the lock pin, and pull the frame tube right off the chair. Now if I'm transporting the chair, I need to fold it, or again, if I'm moving this mount between two separate wheelchairs, it's really easy to take it off and also to put it back on and make sure that your angles remain intact. So when I'm putting it back on, I put my frame tube back on, insert the lock pin, flip the red lever back down, and add the vertical part of my mount back, lock the swivel joint. So we're going to look at installing this base coupler. So your base coupler is actually two parts that are attached, and when you release the red lever and pull the pin, you should be able to separate them. Now there is this bolt inside, and it usually sticks to the magnetized piece on the inside of the outer part. This part with the red lever will attach to the frame clamp, and the outer piece will attach to your mount. So we'll take this bolt and install the inner piece first. I'll place the bolt through the hole in the center, and then I need to align the rotation lock with one of the smaller holes on the outside of the frame clamp. Once that's aligned, I can use my red T-handle wrench and tighten this bolt in the center. You want to make sure that you get this nice and tight. Next, I'll take the outer piece and align this with the ovalus shape on the inner piece so that it fits in. Now this can go either direction. It will fit either way. Now your base coupler is installed, and the next piece will be to add your frame tube with the tube socket. So the center bolt of your tube socket will go through the center hole on the outer piece of the base coupler. You'll notice here this also has a rotation lock on this mount. That's going to go into the smaller hole on the outer ring. So once I have those aligned, I can tighten the bolt on the tube socket to attach the frame tube. And once that's attached, we can reset the lock pin and close the red lever and build out the rest of your mount.